kwamba meeting sio kuja kwa lecture, inakuwa watu mko wanatoa sehemu nzuri sana mkiaribu
I'm very excited to be here today with the National Super League teams. We have announced as Extreme Sports and some of our friends that we will be supporting this division in terms of monetary support, but also with some equipment, and we've given them balls today. We will continue supporting our grassroots football right from the bottom to the top. KPL can only be strong and KPL can only succeed if we get the foundation right. Today we've given a total donation of 2 million shillings that will go, I'm sure, a long way into supporting some of these clubs that are really struggling. Every NSL team will tell you that they hardly are able to meet their weekly requirements. They are not able to travel to some of their games. They are not able to pay wages. They are not able to pay their technical bench. And all this is as a result of lack of sponsorship in this particular league. It is about time now we attracted more support into our football, but that will only come if we have good governance and we have transparency and accountability in football management. NSL teams for very many years have been ignored. But this is also because we have not really built a strong brand around that particular league. This will change into the future. I want to urge and ask all the teams to work together, to collaborate, and to also insist that all stakeholders, including government and including private sector, must join hands to support some of these clubs.
Naitwa mwenyekiti wa Celebrate Leons FC, na leo tumekuja hapa kwa minajili ya mkutano. Tumekuwa na Hussein from Extreme Sports na tumeweza kuongea kuhusu vile ufadhili wetu wa NSL inaweza kupatikana, na tumeweza kusaidika kama mipira, na pia tumepata token kidogo ili tumudu ile mameji bado tuko nayo. Mjuavyo ligi yetu ya NSL haina sponsor, so tumekuwa tukikimbia pale na huku tukitafuta sponsor. So tunafurahia sana kwa ile usaidizi wametusaidia pamoja na marafiki zake, na tumeweza kuwa na mazungumzo mazuri sana ambapo tunaona kama viongozi wataenda chukua hatua vile Hussein na timu yake Extreme Sport wamechukua, football kwa nchi itaenda mbali sana.
Na tugetigana na icio na kio